Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compressor run capacitor in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new compressor run capacitor. The compressor run capacitor is mounted inside the main control board compartment at the back of the refrigerator. It makes it easier for the compressor motor to run. If the compressor is not running, check the compressor run capacitor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to get to the rear of the fridge and take off this access panel. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to take out the 3 screws that actually holds the panel. And lift it off. There's a tab here in the corner. Okay, let's pull the compressor run capacitor from the bracket and remove the plug. Okay, this is the old capacitor. This is the old compressor run capacitor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to plug in the new capacitor and then push it into the bracket. Alright, we can install the access panel back on. That little tab goes into this cutout. And then we're going to put 3 Phillips screws to secure it to the cabinet. After we put the bottom one, we can tighten the top ones. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.